today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Bluetooth keyboard to your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select Bluetooth and devices on the left panel. And then on the right side where it says devices at the top, select add device. And then you would select Bluetooth, and then again, make sure your keyboard's powered up and turned on, and you just would proceed with the on-screen wizard here, and that's what you have to do. So, pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.